class. Today we are going to discuss about the suggestion that I had given you of geography. Okay. Now take the suggestion to your hand. The first question is tick the correct one. The first one is cultivated land area are shown in map by blue or yellow. The answer is yellow. We use yellow color to show the cultivated land. The highest mount of Africa is Everest or Kilimanjaro. The answer will be Kilimanjaro. So the highest mountain of Africa is Kilimanjaro. The highest peak of the Alps is Mount Blanc or Mount Elbrus. The answer is Mount Blanc. The Alps has the highest peak, that is named Mount Blanc. The British Isles are made up of dash islands. The answer will be 5,000. 5,000 islands make the British Isles. The prime meridian passes through the Paris in Greenwich. The prime meridian passes through the Paris or Greenwich. The answer will be Greenwich. The prime meridian passes through the Greenwich. Next one, number 6. Africa accounts about 20% or 14.72% of the world's human population. The answer will be 14.72% of the human population. Okay, come to the next point, that is filling the blanks. The first one is dash is the highest peak of Europe. The highest peak of Europe is Mount Elbrus. Mount Elbrus, E-L-B-R-U-S, Elbrus. Mount Elbrus is the highest peak of Europe. Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg are called the dash of countries. These are called low countries. So answer will be low countries. Dash is the largest desert of Africa. The largest desert of Africa is Sahara. So the answer will be Sahara. Sahara is the longest or largest desert of Africa. All types of settlements are shown in dash color. Settlements are always shown in red color. We use red color to show the settlement type. The dash color is used to represent contour lines. Brown color. Brown color is used to represent contour lines. Next point, number 6. World's dash largest continent is Africa. World's second largest continent is Africa. According to the area, Africa occupies the second position in the world. Dash is the longest river in Africa. Number 7. Dash is the longest river in Africa. The answer will be Nile. Nile is the longest river of Africa. Come to the next question, that is true or false. First one is the major features of African country is the Great Rift Valley. Yes, it's true. Africa's one of the most feature or important feature is Great Rift Valley. We can see linear settlement in the desert area. No, it is false. We can see linear settlement in the area across the river or across the railway stations, etc. Okay, and in desert area we can see the dispersed settlement. Next is number 3. River Nile is the shortest river in the world. No, it is false. Before this, I had discussed about that the longest river of Africa or the longest river of the whole world is Nile. So this answer will be false. because river Nile is not the shortest river, it is the longest river of the world. Number 4, brown color is used to represent contour line. Yes, it is true. Brown color is used to represent contour line. Come to the next point. Convert 1 centimeter. Come to the next point, that is answer the following question. Convert 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer into representative fraction. I had already given you the question and the question's answer also. So follow the question answer in your previous WASM files, PDF files. Check the PDF files. I had given you the answer of this question. Come to the next question. Name the important elements of topographical map. The important elements of topographical map is like important elements like conventional signs and scales, RFs. Those are important elements of topographical map. Next question is, what are the 4 lines that passes through Africa? The 4 lines are equator, that means 0 degree prime meridian, that also be 0 degree latitude, and the equator means 0 degree longitude. Equator means 0 degree latitude, and the prime meridian means 0 degree longitude. Those are, and the third one is Tropic of Cancer, that means 23.5 degrees north, and Tropic of Cancer, that means 23.5 degrees south. Those 4 lines are passes through the Africa. What is fjord? Fjord is a place a water body that is mainly surrounded by 1 or 3 or more than it, surrounded by hill areas. So the area that surrounded by hill areas is known as fjord. Name some important cities of Africa. Some important cities of Africa is like Cairo, Lagos, Cape Town, Khartoum, etc. Those are some important cities of Africa. What is a Rift Valley? Rift Valley is a place that is mainly a valley. It is a major features of African Great Rift Valley. The Rift Valley is a valley area that is mainly long and deep valley, that steep side, that means the both side of this valley is like steep. What is conventional sign? Conventional signs. Conventional signs are the signs that are mainly used to represent some features of land on the map, such as we use settlement sign, that is red color square box, just to show the settlement of those area. Like this there are more important or more other signs that we use as conventional sign. So students, please read the question answer at your home carefully and practice them very carefully. Okay, thank you.